Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we're diving into real-life English at a restaurant, from meeting the waiter to asking for a table politely and confidently. We'll go over key phrases, do a role play, and practice together. Let's get started. Hi there, and welcome back to our series, English at the Restaurant, Role Play Scenarios. This is day 2, and today we're focusing on a very important step in any restaurant visit, meeting the waiter and asking for a table. Now you might be thinking, how hard can that be? But trust me, that first interaction can be a little intimidating if you're not confident in your English, especially if you're traveling, tired, hungry, and trying to sound polite at the same time. So in today's lesson, we're going to learn key phrases and expressions you can use when entering a restaurant. Do a realistic role play between a customer and a waiter. Practice those expressions out loud with me, and I'll give you useful tips for sounding natural and confident. Let's dive in. Part 1. Useful phrases. Asking for a table when you walk into a restaurant. What happens first? Usually, a host or waiter will greet you. That's your cue to respond. Say hello, and let them know what you need. Here are some very common phrases that you'll hear. Waiter: good evening. Do you have a reservation? Customer: you. No, we don't. Do you have a table for 2? If you do have a reservation. Yes, we have a reservation under Sarah. Yes, it's reserved under the name David. If you don't and you're walking in, we'd like a table for 2, please. A table for 4, please. Just me today. A table for 1. Always remember to say please. It's a small word, but it makes a big difference. Let's try a few together. Repeat after me. We'd like a table for 2, please. Just me today, thank you. A table for 4, if you have one. Great. You're already sounding polite and natural. Part 2. Preferences. Inside or outside. Now the waiter might ask if you have a preference. Would you like to sit inside or outside? Would you prefer a booth or a table? Would you like to sit by the window? You can answer like this. Inside, please. Outside would be lovely, thank you. Do you have something near the window? Somewhere quiet would be great. These are all polite and friendly ways to express your preference. Part 3. Full role play. Let's act it out. Let's now go through a full dialogue from start to finish. Scene. You walk into a restaurant. The waiter greets you. You ask for a table. Waiter: good evening. Welcome to Green Garden Bistro. Do you have a reservation? You: no, we don't. Do you have a table for 2? Waiter: of course. Would you prefer to sit inside or outside? You: inside, please. Somewhere quiet if possible. Waiter: sure. Follow me, please. You both walk to the table. Waiter: how about this one? You: this is perfect. Thank you. Waiter: great. Here are your menus. Your server will be with you shortly. You: thanks. Nice and simple, right? Let's break it down and practice each part. Part 4. Practice with me. You be the customer. I'll be the waiter, and you answer. Waiter: hello. Do you have a reservation? Pause for user to answer. Waiter: would you prefer to sit inside or outside? Pause. Waiter: follow me. Is this table okay? Pause. Waiter: great. Here are your menus. Practice like this every day, and you'll get faster and more fluent. Part 5. Tips to sound more natural. Let's look at some common mistakes and how to avoid them. Give me table. This is direct and can sound rude. Instead say, we'd like a table, please. I sit here. Say, is this table okay? Or, can we sit here? Also, avoid saying just 1 or 2 with no context. Say, table for 1, please. Being polite is key in English-speaking countries. Use phrases like, would it be possible to, could we? If it's not too much trouble. These sound warm and respectful. Part 6. Vocabulary recap. Let's review some of the useful vocabulary from today's lesson. Word, phrase. meaning table for two. A table for two people. Reservation, a booking in advance. Booth, a private bench-style seating menu. The list of food and drinks. Quiet spot. A peaceful seating area. Waiter, server. The person who brings your food, host, hostess. The person who seats you. Part 7. Cultural tips. What to expect in English-speaking restaurants. In many English-speaking countries, the host, hostess will greet you at the door. You usually wait to be seated. Don't just sit anywhere unless it's self-service. Tipping is common. In the US, for example, it's expected to tip 15 to 20% of the bill. So, being polite from the start helps you have a smoother experience. Part 8. Quick quiz. Let's test your memory. I'll ask you a few questions. Ready? What do you say if you have a reservation under your name? Pause. Yes, we have a reservation under your name. What's a polite way to ask for a table for yourself? A table for one, please. How can you ask to sit by the window? Do you have a table by the window? Or, could we sit near the window, please? Part 9. Wrap up. You did amazing today. To review, we practiced how to greet the waiter or hostess, how to ask for a table politely, how to express your seating preferences, and how to sound confident and kind in English. Remember, confidence comes with practice. Rewatch this video, repeat the lines, and even try them out next time you visit a restaurant or cafe. Your homework. Write your own short dialogue. Pretend you're walking into your favorite restaurant. What would you say? Post it in the comments, and I'll check it for you. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson. Looking at the menu and asking questions about food. Thanks for learning with me, and see you in day 3. Bye for now, and happy practicing.